Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus versus iPhone 16 Plus camera comparison. So let's start the video.